Today I'm going to share with you guys how I went from this to this. Okay, now you're welcome to the channel. It's ADUNNI'S of ADUNNI'S Space again, and today's tutorial is how to make your own potent aloe vera oil for hair growth. Guys, you can see what my hair looked like under the space of 1 year, how I was able to grow my hair within the space or under the space of 1 year, guys. And that is what I am going to be sharing with you guys in today's video. And we are using 3 major ingredients that I will be sharing with you guys the benefits as we move on in this video. So I realized that my aloe vera plant was dying and I didn't want it to go to waste, and I'm like, okay, let me just make extra aloe vera oil for my hair. If you don't know, my hair has a name, and the name of my hair is Ara. Okay, Ara is a Yoruba word and it means wonder, basically. Yes, I'm extra, I know. Okay, yeah, I know. So basically I cut off 3, I don't know what is it, 3 aloe vera from my plant, from my dying plant. I hope to revive that plant. I'm going to show you guys. I'll put a picture so you guys can see what it looks like. So, and I just cut off the sides and I cut it into pieces. Before I went out earlier on this particular day, I had soaked the sticks, the aloe vera stick, in water to remove the toxins from it. And after coming back is when I started this tutorial. So I soaked it for more than 1 hour. I was out for about 2 to 3 hours. So now I'm adding the aloe vera that I had cut into a blender. And aloe vera is a very potent ingredient for hair growth. Aloe vera is known majorly to help increase moisture retention in your hair, and it is also a natural deep conditioning for the 4C, 4B, 4A natural hair girlies in general. It also helps to prevent dandruff because of the special antibacterial properties that aloe vera has. The second ingredient you see me adding is rosemary. If you're a natural hair girly and you're still missing out on rosemary, my girl, no, like, you need to jump on rosemary. Rosemary is that ingredient. It is that ingredient. Like, rosemary helps to stimulate and promote circulation, which helps to improve your hair growth. The last ingredient that we're going to use is fenugreek seed. Guys, you know, aloe vera and fenugreek seed, they are like twin, like conjoined twin. Fenugreek seed helps to reduce hair thinning. It helps to improve split ends. It also helps to, improve the thickness of your hair when you use it together with aloe vera. The oil of choice that I am using as my base oil in this particular ingredient is coconut oil. And coconut oil, as we all know, is a plant-based oil, and it is known for its moisturizing properties, and also it helps dry scalp. My scalp is actually very dry. My scalp is always dry, so I need to use something that is going to be beneficial for my scalp. You can use any oil of your choice, at all. So I moved on to blend, and you guys can see what the consistency looks like from the blender. And let me tell you guys something about making your own hair oil. You know what you're putting, you know the measurements, you know what you're giving your hair. So after blending, I went ahead to pour it in a fry pan so that it can heat up, so that the ingredients can heat up inside the carrier oil that I'm using, which is the coconut oil. And I left this on low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes, and you guys will see how it progressed, like how it went from this to like a deeper color while it was heating up. Okay, I'm going to leave you guys and I'll be back very soon. So this is what it is currently looking like after 15 minutes of it being on low heat on fire. So I went ahead to take this cheesecloth to sieve out the oil into a plastic container. And guys, I am not even going to lie to you guys, I think because of the coconut oil, it smells so good to me. Okay, I liked the smell, I like the scent. It didn't nauseate me. It's just okay for me. I wouldn't know how another person will perceive it, but to me, the smell was okay. It has a very, very natural scent because of the ingredients. The ingredients are natural ingredients, so it has a very, very natural scent. Particularly, the scent did not nauseate me. It didn't nauseate me at all. So this is me trying to get every drop of oil, every drop of aloe vera oil that I can get. So if you're still watching up until this point and you find this video helpful, please do not forget to click the subscribe button. Join this growing family. I hope that we can still hit 5,000 subscribers before the end of this year. Well, I wouldn't know if you don't subscribe, so please subscribe, join the growing family. And this is what it is looking like. I used a cup of oil, of coconut oil, and actually I got more than 1 cup of coconut oil. I will put the specific amount of the oil that I got after measuring. So I put some away in that bottle, as you guys can see, and this is what is left in the plastic container, and I am going to try to find somewhere to store it. And I am thinking of doing like what's it called, like a challenge, showing you guys how often I use this and like physical results of this on my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Please do not forget to subscribe.